Hello and welcome to the part 5 of the video. I was pretty busy these few days and I didn't really have time to record it, but as you can see, the bike looks completely different. It has some new stickers, it has a new seat cover, it looks very clean, and the tires look like the right size. I had some used tires and I put on there, so I apologize that I didn't really record it, but here it is. I just did the aesthetical parts of the motorcycle, but I did not mess with the engine. It's still smoking and it's still running very poorly. And as you can see, kind of actually looks like a black smoke, which is better than white smoke. But the bike still runs very poorly. It bogs out, and it only runs with choke. Whoa, I almost fell. But here it is. At this point, I'm not sure if I should sell it and get my money back, or I should continue working on the engine, maybe take the top end and see what the cylinder and piston looks like in the valves. I'm not sure. Also, as you can see, I got new new fork boots, and I redid the forks. I got new seals and I changed the oil, but yeah, the bike looks so much better now. The tail light and the headlight works. I didn't really mess with that. It works great. The new seat cover looks okay. I didn't really fix the sunken and missing pieces on the foam. I just kind of put it on there, so it looks decent. It doesn't look great, but no one will see me. We'll see it when I'm riding the motorcycle. Here it is.